Corban, and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a DIY Christmas ornament, so stay tuned.
All right, so we have a book here, and then Corban's gonna put a black piece of construction paper on top. You don't need the construction paper, we're just doing that so you can see it better. And then he has a gallon size plastic bag he's gonna put on top of the construction paper. All right, and we will go to the
next step. The first step is to draw a circle with the glue. You can draw any shape you want, but I'm gonna draw a circle. I'm gonna draw my circle now, and I'm gonna draw 2 circles just for fun. I'm gonna fill the circles in. All done, this is how it should look like. Gonna add some color with food coloring now. Here we go. For this one, I'm gonna do polka dots. Let's see how it turns out. Now we're gonna let it dry. Now it's time to pick them off. The next step is to punch a hole in all the ornaments.
Here's your hole.
Whee! Look, they're done! They're ready to put on the Christmas tree. Look out for the video we did last year. We made ornaments out of dough.